Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant standard twice baked cheese and leek soufflé. So delicious. Let's get into it. First we're going to infuse our milk using the leek ends, 2 cloves of garlic and a bit of thyme. Doing this will improve the flavour of the soufflé, which is what we are looking for. Put it over medium-low heat and keep an eye on it to stop it catching. Meanwhile, finely slice the leeks and partially cook them in a microwave and cool immediately. Place the leeks in a cloth, make sure you squeeze as much liquid out as possible. Once it's came to the boil, turn the heat off and cover and let it infuse. In the meantime, separate 6 eggs. Make sure you don't get any yolk in the white at all. If you do, start again because the egg whites will not wiggle. Strain the milk, squeezing out as much flavour as possible and put to one side. Now we make the bechamel sauce. Melt the butter over medium heat, add in the flour, whisk it together to combine and make a roux. Cook it out, takes about 2 minutes. Now add the milk in stages, whisking constantly throughout. If the sauce goes lumpy, just put over low heat, constantly whisking and it will come together. Now season, salt, pepper, bit of nutmeg. Now we add in a teaspoon of English mustard and cheese. Whisk until smooth. Pour the sauce into a clean bowl and beat in the egg yolks until fully incorporated. Then incorporate the leeks in and place to one side. When it comes to egg whites, you do not want to over whip them. You're not making a meringue. You're going to beat in a third of the egg whites to smooth the mix out, then gently fold in the rest. Do not over mix. Fill the ramekins halfway, tap to distribute the mix evenly, top up and repeat with the remaining ramekins. Bake in a bain-marie for 15 minutes and turn the oven off and leave them in for 30 minutes. But when they cool, they will deflate, keep that in mind. But when you rebake them, they will double in size. Then place the soufflé in an oven-proof serving dish, then pour cream around it and sprinkle with some cheese that you're choosing. Bake at 200 for about 15 minutes and voila, there you have it. Twice baked cheese and leek soufflé. Done. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video and you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram or other option. And guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.